Start by cutting cotton wool pads in half, dipping them into water so they are damp. Place them under the eyes with the bottom lashes on top of the cotton pad. Get the client to close her eyes and adjust if needed. Always make sure the bottom lashes are placed on top of the cotton pad as you want to dye them as well. Using your dye, please paint on with a tint brush onto the eyelashes like so. To see how to mix the tint, there is an additional video. If you get any of the tint on the skin, you can remove it with a cotton bud. Here we are using the blue tint on the eyelashes. Place cotton pads on top of the eyes so that the client feels more comfortable. This also will stop her opening her eyes while she has the tint on. Leave the tint on for the required amount of time. Please check with your product how they would like you to mix the solution and also the timings that they recommend. With eyelash tint, it does need to be on a lot longer than an eyebrow tint. With eyebrows, you are tinting the skin, so it will take a lot quicker. With the eyelashes, you are only tinting the lash hair, hence why it would need to stay on for longer. Once the tint is ready to be taken off, what you will need to do is place your thumb on top of the eye and a finger underneath the bottom of the pad. You're then going to use your thumb and swipe outwards, removing the pads at the same time. As you are brushing the pads outwards, this will help remove the lash tint, as your thumb will be rubbing over the lashes to the side, rubbing it off in between the pads as shown. All the tint will be inside the pads. Gently wipe the tint away. If you do get any on the skin area, as shown here on purpose, you can literally use a damp cotton pad and wipe away the excess tint. I do always recommend that you do apply tint remover. Always have tint remover to hand, just in case you need to use it to remove any tint that has gone on the skin area. This is also very beneficial for the eyebrows. Once you've removed the tint, that is how you would apply the lash tint.